All of you, good morning students. మీకేమైనా డౌట్స్ లేకుంటే ఇంకేమైనా క్లాస్ అర్థం కాకుండా ఇంకేమైనా ఉంటే దయచేసి గ్రూప్స్లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి. మీ గ్రూప్స్లో మెసేజ్ చేయడానికి మీకు ఏమైనా ఇబ్బంది అనిపిస్తే నాకు నా పర్సనల్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి మెసేజ్ చేయండి. 5th సెమిస్టర్ దయచేసి క్లాస్ ఎలా అర్థం ఉంది, ఎలా అర్థం కావాలా, ఇంకేమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటే మెసేజ్ చేయండి. Next, we are discuss about continuation class. That is to find out the magnetic moment of some complexes. Magnetic momentum ni find out చేస్తున్నాం. Yesterday, two complexes to find out చేస్తున్నాం. ఏంటది? FeCN taken 6 times the whole charge is 4 minus. Next one, FeCN taken 6 times the whole charge is 3 minus. ఇక్కడ దాకా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాం. థర్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. Example number 3. Example number 3. VCL taken 4 times. The whole charge is only minus and nothing but -1. Check it. First one, oxidation number of vanadium. It means vanadium explain. So X plus Cl charge కూడా -1 because of 70th group elements అన్నిటి కూడా -1 ఉంటుంది oxidation number into 4 times that equal to -1, then X plus -4 that equal to -1, nothing but X equal to +3. +3 means loss of 3 electrons. Now B, vanadium atomic number check చేయండి. After argon 18, after argon 19th one potassium, 20th one calcium, 21st scandium, 22nd titanium, 23rd vanadium, 23rd element. So after argon 18 complete, 3D 3, 4s2, 4p 0. This is the electronic configuration of vanadium. By loss of 3 electrons because of vanadium oxidation number is +3 means loss of 3 electrons. By loss of 3 electrons, the electron configuration of +3, V +3, argon 18 complete. 2 electrons ఇక్కడ నుంచి లాస్ అవుతుంది, 1 electron ఇక్కడ నుంచి లాస్ అవుతుంది. సో 3d2 and 4s0, 4p0. D orbital number of electrons in the vanadium D orbital 3d2. So there are some number of electrons in D orbitals, only 2 electrons. X, Y, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. The number of unpaired electrons are 2. So to find out the magnetic moment, the symbol of magnetic moment mu equal to the principle of magnetic moment, mu equal to the root of n into n plus 2. This is the principle of magnetic moment. Nothing but here n equal to 2 because of only 2 unpair of electron. So under root of 2 into 2 plus 2, nothing but the root of 2 into 4, nothing but the root of 8, and the root of 8, nothing but 2.28 sum. Bm means Bohr magnetons. Bohr magnetons nothing but Bohr magnetons అంటే ఏంటి? units of magnetic moment. This is the BCl4 taken single charge. Right. Next, check this one. Next one, fourth one. Fourth one, CONH3 taken 6 times. The whole charge is 3 plus. Right, 3 plus. Whole charge is 3 plus. So first, oxidation number of CO, cobalt. తెలియదు కాబట్టి మనం x అని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అనుకుంటున్నాం. X plus NH3, oxidation number always 0 because of neutral ligand. So 0 into 6 times, that equal to plus 3. The whole charge is plus 3, and x plus 0, sorry, 6 into 0, 0, but plus 3, that equal to x equal to plus 3, and nothing but cobalt oxidation number plus 3. Now go to oxidation. Right. Now cobalt atomic number 27. 27 means after argon 18 complete, 3d7, 4s2, 4p0, 18, 20, 20. But in case of cobalt, number of oxidation number 3 plus 3 plus 3 means loss of 3 electrons. So 2 electrons ఇక్కడ నుంచి 1 electron నుంచి loss అవుతుంది. So cobalt plus 3 after argon 3d6, 4s0, 4p0 also. So cobalt plus 3 ఇక్కడ d orbital చెక్ చేస్తే చూడండి 3d6 లో ఉంది. So number of d orbitals are 5 d orbitals, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Number of electrons are 6 electrons. Total amperes 4 amperes. So n equal to 4. Now to get magnetic momentum of CONH3 taken 6 times, the whole charge is plus 3, CO plus the magnetic momentum. Find out here now. So principality mu equal to under root of n into n plus 2. So mu equal to the root of n value 4. So 4 into 4 plus 2, nothing but root of 4 into 4 plus 2, nothing but 6. So nothing but root of 24 magnetic momentum value 4.9, approx value is 4.9 BPM. This is the CONH3 taken 6 times plus 3. The whole charge is plus 3. The next example goes to fifth one. Fifth one. NiCN taken 4 times, the whole charge is minus 2. NiCN taken 4 times, the whole charge is minus 2. First step, oxidation number of nickel. Find out here. Nickel X Cn proved of minus 1 into 4 times, that equal to the whole charge is minus 2. X plus minus 4 into minus 4, that equal to minus 2. So X plus so X value is plus 2. Nothing but nickel plus 2. Oxidation number of nickel plus 2. Next, nickel atomic number 28 after argon 3D 8, 4s2, then 4p 0. But in case of nickel, loss of 2 electrons because of nickel, oxidation number is +2. +2 means loss of 2 electrons from 4s2. So nickel +2 oxidation number. So after argon 3d8, 4s0, then 4p0 also. Nickel +2, 3d8. Number of orbitals are 5 orbitals. Electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But number of unpaired of electrons 2. So n value 2. Next goes to find out the magnetic moment. The principle of magnetic momentum mu equal to under root of n into n plus 2. N value is 2. To substitute the n value under root of 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 is nothing but 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 2 into 4, 8. And the root of 8 is nothing but 2.28 is the approximate value of nickel. This is the nickel tetracyanide. Nickel tetracyanide. Next one. Mn, manganese, H2O, aqua. Taken 6 times. The whole charge is 2 plus. The whole charge is 2 plus. So, first step, to find out the oxidation number. Oxidation number of Mn. Mn means manganese. So, let us consider X plus H2O. H2O, NH3, CO. These three are neutral ligands. So, the oxidation number of H2O 0 into 6 times, that equal to whole charge is plus 2. So X plus 0, that equal to plus 2, nothing but X value is plus 2. X value is nothing but manganese value plus 2. Manganese, oxidation number of manganese plus 2. So next step, step 2. Manganese atomic number. Manganese atomic number 25. 25 atomic number. After argon 18 complete, 3d5, 4s2, 4p 0. (3d5, 4s2, 4p 0). But in case of manganese oxidation number plus 2, so by loss of 2 electrons ఇక్కడ నుంచి loss అవుతుంది. So manganese oxidation number plus 2. So after argon 3d5, 4s0, 4p also 0. Manganese plus 2, d orbitals, d5 configuration. So total orbitals are 5 orbitals, 5 d orbitals. 1 electrons are 5 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So all are the unpaired electrons, so n value equal to 5. Now to get magnetic moment. Magnetic moment. Magnetic moment, the principle set. The symbol of magnetic moment, sigma. So mu equal to root of n into n plus 2. N into n plus 2. So the n value 5. So root of 5 into 5 plus 2. nothing but 5 into 10. Nothing but 5 into 10 is nothing but 5 into 7. The root 35. Root 35 value. Root 35 value 5.9. Approx value 5.9 billion. This is the main H2O taken 6 times. The whole charge is plus 2. ఇక్కడ దాకా మనకు సిలబస్ లో ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకా కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేద్దాం. మన 2 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. కొంచెం క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. CO H2O taken 6 times, the whole charge is plus 3. Oxidation number, to find out the oxidation number. Oxidation number to find out this. So cobalt X and X plus H2O value always 0, so into 0 that equal to plus 3, then X equal to plus 3. X plus 0 that equal to plus 3, nothing but X equal to plus 3. So the cobalt oxidation number plus 3. Next step goes to cobalt. Atomic number already there is 27. After argon 18 complete, 3d6, 4s2 and 4p0. But in case of cobalt, the loss of 3 electrons. Cobalt oxidation number 3. So plus 3 means loss of 3 electrons. Well, loss of 3 electrons from 4s to here minus 1. So the CO plus 3 after argon 3d5, 4s0 and 4p0. For CO plus 3 d5 configuration. D5 means number of d orbitals are 5 d orbitals. D5 configuration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 electrons n equal to 5. Number of unpair of electrons at 5. Now to get magnetic moment. Mu. So mu equal to principal and the root of n into n plus 2. The root of n into n plus 2. N value of 5, so root 5 into 5 plus 2. Root 5 into 7. Root 35. Root 35. Root 35 is nothing but 5.9 billion. This is the CO H2O taken 6 times the whole charge is plus 3. This is the magnetic momentum calculation. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీకు వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో రేజ్ చేయండి. మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటే రెగ్యులర్గా నోట్స్ మాత్రం ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మాత్రం అడగండి. పర్సనల్కి మెసేజ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.